Hello, my name is Benito Anaya Jr. I'm here to show you my Unit 7, is it? Yeah, Unit 7 pictures. Okay, so for the first picture, it's a picture of an old church that I went around around the city to take some pictures. I don't go to the church, but I seen it because I would go down the road and I would see it a lot. And I also believe it also rains at like 7:30. So anyway, so this picture is a church. I got it from a side angle. I was gonna take I tried taking a picture when I'm literally laying down and taking a photo, but the thing is, you couldn't get the whole church, and it didn't really look that good. So this was the best picture, the position I would take in, and all the settings of these pictures will be on the bottom, and I'll go over them. So for the next one, it's going to be my aunt's new house. So for this one, I did take pictures of an old hotel and a building, I believe, but it was already late and it was really busy around my neighborhood or city. So we were gonna take a picture of the bank, but we were running out of time, so I can't. I took a picture of my aunt's house because it's very new and it looks great. So I take pictures of the front. And the back there is a barn, but the barn doesn't really it's not finished yet, so it didn't really look that good. So the next one would be an old building, I believe. I forgot what this building is used for, but I think this is where you probably pay bills or turn in papers. I could tell because right here on this side you can't see it, but there's a mailbox, the number, and there's another number over here. But this is no building I took a picture of. It looks pretty good. I tried different angles. I tried it from the front. I tried it from the side, and too close wouldn't look that good because you couldn't see the whole thing. But this is a good photo out of the rest, and I really like this certain photo because as you can see, it has the tree on the top right. You can see the plants on the bottom right here, and it shows the pillars as well. And it's very old because of all the, I want to say dust. I don't know what that black stuff is, but I know it's very old. Now for the last one, it's a picture of an old hotel. Okay, yeah, the old hotel. This was probably the best photo I could get, but I had to be there for a while because I had to recalibrate the settings of the photo because it was somewhat like it was barely going to like sundown, but so it was still bright at the time. So I took a picture of this one. I really like this one a lot because it shows you the main focus is the building. In the background you can see the sun and the clouds. The sun's right behind it because up here is brighter than anywhere else. I take a picture like this because on the bottom there were so many cars and people walking by, so I just moved my camera a little bit more up and took the photo. But other than that, I mean, yeah, all these photos are pretty good. Now, for the camera settings. Now for the camera settings, the church, the ISO is 100, the aperture is 10, and the shutter speed is 250. Now for the old building, the ISO is 100, aperture 7.1, and the shutter speed is 1 in 100. Now for the new house, the ISO is 100, aperture 10, and the shutter speed is 250, yeah. And the old hotel is ISO 100, aperture 10, and 250. Most of the settings are the same, but there's gonna be small adjustments because of the sun, but everything else, I mean, it's pretty much the same. So, but yeah, this is my Unit 6 pictures. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.